Good morning, children. Today we will discuss from our mental math portion. The table 15. This is new for you. This table today I am going to teach you. We will read together and some types of fill in the blanks from tens and ones concept. We will discuss today and I will explain you what varieties more may come this term. Okay, in this term what more varieties may come I will discuss you. So let us first practice table 15. Now in your third term you are having multiplication table 1 to 15. Up to from 1 to 15 you are having in your syllabus. So up to 14 already we have covered. Now today I am teaching you table 15. Now next class onwards we will revise the multiplication tables. Now let us start the multiplication table 15. How should you read it? I am showing you. See, whenever you are going to learn, first learn the half portion. When it is totally learned, then only you proceed from other half. So until first half is you are learning, don't go to the second half because there will be confusion. So let us start. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Again I am telling, when I say serially, the R becomes ZA. The pronunciation, it sounds like ZA, but actual pronunciation is R. That means 15 ones are 15. 15 twos, when we are using apostrophe S, so 15 twos, I am adding here apostrophe S, so twos are 30, like this. So again I am reading, please listen nicely. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. So whenever you are learning, please by heart like this. Okay. So now the second part, filling. See, we have learned already tens and ones. We know that 1 ones equal to 1, 2 ones equal to 2, 3 ones equal to 3, like this, 9 ones equal to 9. When I tell 10 ones, it becomes 110. 10 ones become 110. And 110 means 10. Then 2 tens means 20. 3 tens means 30. Likewise 5 tens means 550. 9 tens means 90. 10 tens means 100. There are 10 tens included. So it becomes 100. So now if it is given 9 tens and only one dash is there, that means you are asked to write the digit. So 9 tens means 90 plus 0 ones means nothing. So 90 plus nothing means 90. So we are going to write here 90. Next, 65 plus 5 equal to dash tens. Here after dash tens is written. That means the answer that you are getting, you have to convert it into tens. Okay, so let us first class 65 plus 5. So it is becoming 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. That means the answer is 70. 70 means how much tens? 70 means 7 tens. So 70 means 7 tens. So I have converted 70 into tens. So I have written, don't write here 70 because then the answer will be wrong. Here after dash, if tens is written, then don't add 0 here and if no tens was written, then you should have written 70. Next one, 100 equal to dash tens. Now we have to convert it into tens. 100 means how many tens? We know that 100 equal to 10 tens. 100 equal to 10 tens. Now see, 7 tens minus 2 tens. Next question, you see 7 tens minus 2 tens equal to dash. After dash, no tens or ones is written. That means whatever your answer is coming, you should write the answer in digit, full digit. Now you have to convert. Here it is tens. So 7 tens means 70 minus 2 tens means 20. So 70 minus 20 means what? From 7 you will minus 2, then it will become 5. See, after 2 you count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 5 and 0 will sit. You can do the rough work and see 7 tens means 70 and 2 tens means 20. So if you are subtracting, you are getting 7 minus 2. That means here it is 5. So 50. So we will write here 50, not 5 tens. We will not write 5 tens because here tens is not added. So we have to convert it and we have to write in digit. Okay. Next one, 61 plus 6. Simple addition, nothing. Only we have to do the forward counting. So after in the, you see here you can write down tens and ones. And here also in tens and ones, because one digit always in one's house. So in one's house is 1 and here one's house is 6. So 6 plus 1, here it will be 7. And in the tens place, you can do like this also, or after 61 you can count 6. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 and 67. So this way we have done here 67. Next, 60 plus 30. You can leave the zeros, you can add the digit. So after 60, jump in tens, 70, 80, 90. This is the easiest one. Because you have to jump 30, so in tens you jump 3 times, so it becomes 90. Or if you feel hard, you can do the rough work and you can do the addition in the rough place. Next one, 80 minus 50. So it is also simple minus, but see in the one's house zeros are there, so we will write here 0. We are going to write here 0 and 8 minus 5, or from 5 you can forward count 6, 7, 8. That means 3. So we are writing in the tens place 3. So 80 minus 50 will become 30. So these are some of the pattern of questions. Now repeated addition questions or multiplication fact questions in my next class I will show you how to solve it. Okay, so please by heart multiplication table 15 and this type of pattern practice at home every day. Thank you children.